File controls how your frames will appear. Frame set, master document, template, timeline. Which of the following is not a semantic HTML element? Less than article greater than, less than header greater than, less than section greater than, less than div greater than. Which HTML element is used to represent self-contained content such as a blog post or news article? Less than header greater than, less than article greater than, less than section greater than, less than footer greater than. The less than aside greater than element is typically used for grouping navigation links, defining content related to the main content but placed separately, marking the primary content on a web page, displaying a footer for a document. Which HTML tag is used to create a hyperlink? Less than hyperlink greater than, less than link greater than, less than href greater than, less than a greater than. What is the correct HTML tag for a line break? Less than b greater than, less than lb greater than, less than break greater than, less than br greater than. Which HTML element is used to show deleted text? Strike through, less than delete greater than, less than strike through greater than, less than strike greater than, less than b greater than. Which attribute is used to provide a unique identifier to an HTML element? Id, class, name, identifier. What is the correct syntax for creating a hyperlink? Less than a href equals URL, greater than, less than a link equals URL, greater than, less than a name equals URL, greater than, less than a src equals URL, greater than. Which HTML attribute is used to specify an alternate text for an image? Alt, title, src, link. Which attribute is used to set space, margin, inside a cell in an HTML table? Cell spacing, cell padding, cell gapping, cell margin. What is the default font size of HTML text? 3, 4, 5, 7. How can you make text bold in HTML? Less than I greater than, less than strong greater than, less than bolder greater than, less than m greater than. Which attribute of the less than form greater than element specifies where to send the form data when a form is submitted? Method, action, target, eng type. What does the less than title greater than tag in HTML do? Specifies the title of the document, specifies the header, specifies the footer, defines a section of the page. In HTML5, which input type provides a color picker interface in supporting browser? Type equals color, type equals palette, type equals hue, type equals shade.
अगर आप CCC या O लेवल के स्टूडेंट हैं तो पेश है आपके लिए आपके सब्जेक्ट से रिलेटेड 1500 प्लस MCQs। इसमें क्वेश्चंस हिंदी और इंग्लिश दोनों में हैं, शॉर्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन है और आपके डाउट सॉल्व करने के लिए चार्ट जीपीटी की सपोर्ट है। अगर आप इसे ट्राई करना चाहते हैं तो प्ले स्टोर से एंकीड्रॉयड डाउनलोड करें और हमारी वेबसाइट asmcqs.gt.tc पर जाकर अपने सब्जेक्ट के फ्री सैंपल सेट डाउनलोड करें और एंकीड्रॉयड में इंपोर्ट करके इस्तेमाल करना शुरू करें। अगर आपको अच्छा लगे तो बाय नाउ पर क्लिक करके गूगल फॉर्म फिल करें। हम आपका 1500 प्लस क्वेश्चन का सेट 1 से 6 घंटे के अंदर आपके व्हाट्सएप नंबर और ईमेल पर भेज देंगे।
Which attribute is used to open a hyperlink in a new window? Window equals underscore blank, target equals underscore blank, open equals underscore blank, href equals underscore blank. What is the purpose of the less than form greater than tag in HTML? To collect user input, to create a table, to display images, to create links. Which method is generally used for securely transferring form data to the server? Safe, get, secure, post. In the less than audio greater than tag, which attribute specifies multiple alternative audio files, src set, sources, less than source greater than tag inside less than audio greater than, media. What is the correct way to declare a document as HTML5? Less than. Doc type HTML public, W3 HTML 4.01, N, greater than. Less than. Doc type HTML system, about, legacy comfort, greater than. Less than. Doc type HTML greater than. Less than. Doc type HTML5 greater than. What is the correct HTML for creating a checkbox? Less than input type equals, checkbox, greater than, less than checkbox greater than, less than input type equals, check, greater than, less than input checkbox greater than. Which one of the following is an empty tag? Less than input greater than, less than marquee greater than, less than p greater than, less than table greater than. Which tag is used to add a horizontal rule, line, in HTML, less than HR greater than, less than BR greater than, less than line greater than, less than divider greater than. Which attribute is used to change the thickness of a line in an less than HR greater than tag, width, size, thickness, weight. What is the correct HTML tag to create a multi-line text box? Less than text area greater than, less than input greater than, less than form greater than, less than text field greater than. Which attribute is used to define the URL of an image in HTML, src, href, alt, URL? What is the correct way to start an ordered list with a numeric count of 5, less than all type equals, 1, start equals, 5, greater than, less than all type equals, 1, num equals, 5, greater than, less than all type equals, 5, num equals, 5, greater than, less than all type equals, 1, initial equals, 5, greater than. Which tag is used to create a definition list in HTML, less than DL greater than, less than all greater than, less than ul greater than, less than li greater than. What does the less than th greater than tag in HTML stand for? ler header, ler column, ler row, ler. What is the correct way to create an email link in HTML, less than a href equals, mail to, someone at example.com, greater than, less than mail greater than someone at example.com less than, mail greater than, less than email greater than someone at example.com less than, email greater than, less than a href equals, email, someone at example.com, greater than. What is the correct way to create a telephone link in HTML, less than a href equals, mob, 84898498843, greater than less than, a greater than, less than mail greater than call, 8,489,849,843 less than, mail greater than, less than mob greater than 8,489,849,843 less than, mob greater than, less than a href equals, tel, 84898498843, greater than less than, a greater than. Which attribute specifies an image's width in HTML, width, size, alt, src. Who is known as the father of HTML? Steve Jobs, Tim Berners-Lee, Bill Gates, Vint Cerf. Which HTML attribute is used to place faded text on a text box which automatically removes when the user types text, placeholder, hint, value, title? Which HTML tag is used to create a group inside a select box, less than opt group greater than, less than option group greater than, less than group greater than, less than select group greater than? What does the less than marquee greater than tag represent in HTML? Makes text bold, makes text italic, makes text underline. None of these. What is the default method value for the less than form greater than tag if the method attribute is omitted? Post, get, none, put. In HTML5, which input type is used to upload a file, e.g., a photo, picture, file, upload? Which new HTML5 form attribute tells the browser that an input field must be filled out before submitting the form? Mandatory, required, validate, must fill. Which of the following CSS selectors selects all elements of E that have the attribute attr, whose value ends with the given value? E attr caret equals value. E attr dollar equals value. E attr equals value. None of these. Which of the following selector selects the elements that are checked? E tilde f, after, checked. None of these. Which of the following selector selects the elements that are the default among a set of similar elements, default, %, disabled? None of these. Which of the following selector selects the elements that are currently enabled, element, empty, enabled? None of these. Which of the following selectors selects an element that is the first child of its parent, first child, last child, first line, first letter? Which of the following selectors selects elements that do not match the selector, S, nth childs, knots? None of these. Which of the following selectors selects an element if it is the only child of its parent, root, nth of type n, only child? None of these. Blank is used to add special effects to a website, such as animation or hover effects. CSS, PHP, JavaScript, HTML. Which of the following HTML attribute is used to define inline styles, style, type, class? None of the above. What is the correct HTML for referring to an external style sheet, less than style src equals, misstyle.css, greater than, less than style sheet greater than misstyle.css less than, style sheet greater than, less than link rel equals, style sheet, type equals, text, css, href equals, misstyle.css, greater than, less than link rel equals, style sheet, type equals, text, css, src equals, misstyle.css, greater than. Where in an HTML document is the correct place to refer to an external style sheet? In the less than body greater than section. At the end of the document. In the less than head greater than section. Anywhere in the document. Which HTML tag is used to define an internal style sheet, CSS, style, script, link? Which is the correct CSS syntax, body, color, black, body, color equals black, body, color, black, body, color equals black? Which CSS property is used to change the background color, background color, BG color? None of these. How do you add a background color for all less than h1 greater than elements? h1.all, background color, red, h1, background color, red, all, h1, background color, red, h1, background color, red. Which CSS property is used to change the text color of an element, text color, color, font color? All of these. Which CSS property controls the text size, font size, text size, font style, text style? What is the correct CSS syntax for making all the less than p greater than elements bold? Less than p style equals, font size, bold, greater than, p, text size, bold, less than p style equals, text size, bold, greater than, p, font weight, bold. How do you display hyperlinks without an underline, a decoration, no underline, a underline, none, a text decoration, none, a text decoration, no underline? How do you make each word in a text start with a capital letter? You can't do that with CSS, transform, capitalize, text style, capitalize, text transform, capitalize. Which property is used to change the font of an element? Font style, font family, font weight, color. How do you make the text bold using CSS? Style, bold, font weight, bold, text, bold. Which is the correct CSS format to set the border width for top equals 10 px, bottom equals 5 px, left equals 20 px, and right equals 1 px, border width 10 px 1 px 5 px 20 px, border width 5 px 20 px 10 px 1 px, border width 10 px 20 px 5 px 1 px, border width 10 px 5 px 20 px 1 px. Which property is used to change the left margin of an element? Margin left, indent, padding left, left margin. How do you make a list that lists its items with squares? List style type, square, list type, square, list, square, list style, square. How do you select all p elements inside a div element? Div p, div plus p, div tilde p. How do you group selectors? Separate each selector with a plus sign. Separate each selector with a comma. Separate each selector with a space. All of these. What is the default value of the position property? Absolute, static, fixed, relative. What is true about CSS? Applies styles to web pages. Defines the structure of web pages. Provides meaning to sections of web pages. None of the above. Which of the following represents an internal style sheet? Style equals, color, blue, less than style greater than body, background color, light blue, less than, style greater than, less than link rel equals, style sheet, href equals, style.css, greater than, body, font size, 16px. Which selector is used to specify a group of elements? Id, class, tag, both B and C. How do you select elements with class name, test, test, hashtag test, test, test? Which attribute specifies a unique alphanumeric identifier to be associated with an element? Class, id, article, HTML. How do you select an element with id, demo, demo, hashtag demo, demo, demo? How to apply specific styles to an h1 tag only when the mouse points to it? h1, hover, h1 asterisk hover, h1, hover, h1 hover. If the less than p greater than, less than h4 greater than, and less than a greater than tags need to be orange, which of the following CSS rules will achieve this? ph4 a, color, orange, p, h4, a, color, orange, p plus h4, color, orange, h4, a, p, color, orange. How do you apply style specifically to less than p greater than tags that have the class style? Assume there are other elements with the same class name, p style, style. How to apply styles to all less than span greater than elements inside paragraphs having class style, p style span, p style span, p style span, none of the above. How will you make the text color of all paragraphs red, p color, RGB 2550 color, RGBA 255001, all of the above? What should be the value of the width property so that the width of the element adjusts itself to the current width of its parent element, 100 rem, 100%, 100 VW, 100 M. Which of the following will give blue color to text? Color, HSL, 0, 0%, 0%, color, HSL, 60, 100%, 50%, color, RGBA, 0, 0, 255, 1, color, RGBA, 0, 0, 255, 0. If we want to use a dotted border around an image, which CSS property will we use? Border color, border decoration, border style, border line. Select the CSS property that sets the width of an element's bottom border, border width, border bottom, border width bottom, border bottom width. By default, hyperlinks are displayed with an underline. How do you remove the underline from all hyperlinks using CSS code? A underline, none, a text decoration, no underline, a decoration, no underline, a text decoration, none. Which property is used to display the text in italics? Font family, font style, font weight, text style. Which CSS property sets a background image for an element? Background, background attachment, background color, background or background image both. Which CSS property is used to control the scrolling of an image in the background? Background attachment, background, background repeat, background position. Which property is used to give space between elements? Padding, indent, margin, gap. What does margin auto mean? Sets the margin equally on the top and bottom of the element. Sets the margin equally on the left and right of the element. Sets the margin equally on all sides of the element. It is uncertain what will happen. Which property is used to give space between content and border? Margin, indent, padding, gap. If an element has padding values 20px for top, 30px for bottom, 15px for right, and 10px for left, then which of the following is the correct way to set that padding? Padding, 20px, 30px, 15px, 10px, padding, 20px, 15px, 30px, 10px, padding, 15px, 30px, 10px, 20px, padding, 30px, 15px, 20px, 10px. If an element becomes invisible but the rest of the web page layout is not affected, then what could be the property applied to that element? Display, none, visibility, hidden, display, block, opacity, 0. Which value of position always fixes the position of the element relative to the viewport? Absolute, fixed, static, sticky. Which of the following does not count in the total width of the element in the web page? Border, margin, padding, none of the above. Which property will be used to display an image of at least 100 px width, max height, max width, min width? If an element's content exceeds its defined width, which CSS property controls the horizontal overflow behavior? Overflow Y, overflow X, overflow width, overflow Z. Which of the following is not a value for the font style property? Normal, italic, oblique, none of the above. Which of the following is not used with the text decoration property? Overline, underline, line through, inline. Which of the following options is correct for these statements? 1. Vertical margins add together. 2. Horizontal margins add together. Statement 1 is correct and 2 is incorrect. Statement 1 is incorrect and 2 is correct. Statement 1 and 2 are both correct. Statement 1 and 2 are both incorrect. If an element has margin values 20px for top, 20px for bottom, 30px for right, and 30px for left, then which of the following is the correct way to set the margin? Margin, 20px, 20px, 30px, 30px, margin, 30px, 20px, margin, 20px, 30px, margin, 30px, 30px, 20px, 20px.
इसमें क्वेश्चंस हिंदी और इंग्लिश दोनों में हैं, शॉर्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन है और आपके डाउट सॉल्व करने के लिए चार्ट जीपीटी की सपोर्ट है। अगर आप इसे ट्राई करना चाहते हैं तो प्ले स्टोर से एंकी ड्रॉइड डाउनलोड करें और हमारी वेबसाइट asmcqs.gt.tc पर जाकर अपने सब्जेक्ट के फ्री सैंपल सेट डाउनलोड करें और एंकी ड्रॉइड में इंपोर्ट करके इस्तेमाल करना शुरू करें। अगर आपको अच्छा लगे तो बाय नाउ पर क्लिक करके गूगल फॉर्म फिल करें। हम आपका 1500 प्लस क्वेश्चन का सेट 1 से 6 घंटे के अंदर आपके व्हाट्सएप नंबर और ईमेल पर भेज देंगे।